Good afternoon, welcome to another Know Your Rights segment with Shane Smith Law. I am Attorney Darrion Holloway, and today we're going to be discussing what happens if a police officer comes up to you. Are they allowed to search you? Can they touch you? Can they take your belongings? The answer is really complicated, but to make it really simple, it depends. The Fourth Amendment protects us from unreasonable searches and seizures, protects us from police just going in our stuff without a reason. So if you're out on the street and the police walk up to you, they are not allowed to search you, your person, or your belongings unless they have probable cause that you just committed a crime, you may be involved in a crime. They will need a warrant to search your person or your belongings unless you give them consent. Now, if the police officer asks you, hey, can I search you? And you say yes, they have every right to search you and your belongings. One tad bit to know is you can revoke that consent at any time. You can limit the scope of the search. So you can say, hey man, you can search my pockets and my book bag, but you can't search my car unless there's a warrant provided. It's very important to know. Now, you cannot limit the scope of the search if they have a warrant for probable cause that you committed a crime. The other thing that's very common is the Terry frisk, or when the officer tells you he just wants to pat you down to make sure that you don't have any weapons or drugs on you. This is completely legal. However, they must only pat the outer lane of your clothing and they're not able to go into your pockets or your belongings. Now, if an officer pats the outside of your clothing and he feels what determines to be a weapon, then they have every right to go in your pocket to discover what it is that may be poking them or feeling them or what they feel. And in that case, they can use whatever they find as evidence against you. This is another Know Your Rights segment with Attorney Darrion Holloway from Shane Smith Law. If you ever find yourself in this position and you need help with this or any other thing, please call us at 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.